I might
I
not.
want to get this done because I'm desperate to know that it all goes in.
Oh, all right. Well, we'll get there.
So for this top, I mean, this is slightly different, this top. So I would probably go like that. Then I've got a kind of rectangle. And then something like that.
You actually made that look so easy.
Oh,
Are you
great.
good at wrapping presents?
Yes,
I
yeah.
thought so.
Stop asking her questions.
Hey, that's my
I
job.
don't know what you do.
That's what I do.
Yeah, do this, otherwise it's not going to go in.
We do gift wrapping as well. Right, so shorts, this is a little trick. This is how I folded the boxer shorts and the swimwear as well.
Yeah.
So you can use, and this is great for a backpack to keep everything in, you can use your waistband to tuck it all in.
Oh, that's clever.
Yeah.
So then it stays in that shape.
So any sort of short shape, and especially for a backpack, that's brilliant because you don't want everything to fall out. What else have we got?
The sarong thingy shawl.
Because some of it, I suppose, you'd be wearing to the airport. As you say, you sort of
Yeah.
wear the bulky shoes and all that sort of stuff you wear
Yes.
to the airport. You
Always
don't
wear
have
your
them in.
bulkiest shoes. I'm going to make this one up because let's just go like that.
Is that the first time you've ever folded one of those?
I had a little
Can't
practice
believe that.
earlier, but I just had a moment where I'd just forgotten how I folded it. They're always funny, these, because they drop differently, but yeah.
Sometimes we
there
have
go.
moments where we forget how to present.
Quite
Okay.
frequently.
Right, this is actually a padded swimsuit, so it does make it a little bit trickier, but I would tend to always say fold your swimsuits into thirds, and then I would usually just fold it up. Actually, this is folding quite nicely.
There's a lot of rolling going on, and that helps with the creases, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't say it makes it any smaller, but it definitely would help with creases, particularly on some materials. Creasing is all about what material you're using, because some materials just crease so bad.
Can you get that big bag in there?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Let's get this up.
I mean, there's a lot of space in that case.
Oh, it's
Sure
a
is a lot of
really
space.
roomy case.
I know, you can look at it now and
I was
think,
packing
she's
it
gonna do that.
yesterday thinking
Yeah.
it's a great case. So this one maybe we'd fold... I've just ruined it because I put sunglasses in, didn't I? Can't fold those. And
I've
then-
tried.
Yeah. And then I would probably put this flat somewhere, like that. What else have we got? A dress. Oh, just been told we've got 1 minute.
Yeah, not long left now.
Let's do this dress.
Speed packing. So you're doing that pretty much the same as the skirt then?
Yeah.
It's like,
Just making that
it's like the Oscars, the
rectangle.
music's going to come in a
Yeah.
moment. Like the tension music.
There you go, like that.
You made that look very easy.
Let's put that there. I mean, this is the airport outfit, but we'll keep
Tension
going.
music.
Keep going, keep going.
Tension music.
Oh, I feel like I want to help
I don't
you.
think it can be done. Are you going to make the plane?
Let's
like
get the
called-
shoes
I
in
mean,
there
I'm not
as
going to
well.
be dressed,
People are
because this is
boarding.
our airport outfit, but... Oh, my gosh. Ready?
Speed packing.
15 seconds.
15 seconds.
No,
Pack it in with a hanger. You can continue during loose swimming, so you're okay.
Okay.
That'll give you another sort of 20 seconds.
They love my folding over there.
We all love your
You
folding.
carry on going. Don't stop.
That's the
Don't
hardest
stop.
one.
Loose women are next on ITV, and it's Charlene. We keep packing. Off you go.
You keep going.
Thank you very
Amazing
much.
thing.
She's
She's
only
done
gone
it.
and done it. Look at that.
It's all in. Shoes are
that
in as
case.
well.
Well
There we
done.
go.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank
Very
you very
impressed.
much. On tomorrow's show, she's
Thank
heading
you.
out.
Well done.
Very good.